My today's video is all about the city of love. As they say, the city of romance, and that is Paris. Free in Paris. Let me tell you a few of the attractions which are free in the city. First is the Eiffel Tower light show, which you can enjoy this in the night. So Eiffel Tower lights up every evening for 5 minutes every hour until 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. Next, you can take a stroll along the Seine River and take lots of beautiful pictures. Next, there are a lot of museums in Paris which are having free entry. Next, a stroll from the Arc de Triomphe to the Place de la Concorde offers an ideal destination for window shopping. Next, you can explore the famous Mouta Street Market. Next, you can admire the remarkable street art in the various districts of Paris. Things to do in Paris. A must-see is the view from the top of the Eiffel Tower. Next is the Seine River Cruise. This can be experienced by a guided tour. Next, you can buy the best perfume brand in Paris, and that is the Fragonard. It is a must tour that you should take. Next, chocolates. You should definitely visit the Lindy Chocolate Factory and buy lots of different flavored chocolates. You can mix and pick the chocolates as you wish. You can also plan a day trip to the Disneyland. For souvenir shopping, I would rather prefer Galeries Lafayette as it is more affordable and I got good quality souvenirs than the ones which the roadside vendors were selling. Next, food. In Paris, Paris, you have to try the famous macaroons, croissants, and different types of cheese. I would suggest that you should always try the local cuisines, as we're coming from a different country, and you should always enjoy the local delicacies. Things to carry. It's advisable to carry cash in euro currency, or else you can carry a travel card. Next, you will definitely need a SIM card travel charger, as in Paris you need an adapter which is the type C, that is the 2-pin charger. How to travel? You can travel by a taxi, and for this I would recommend you to download the apps like Uber or Bolt. If you like to travel by metro or bus services, these both services are available easily across the city. For bus services, you can also take a guided tour through the big bus Paris. It's the same like the hop on and hop off bus services. But you need to be aware of the pickpocketers, as tourists are the main targets. Now, for language, French or German is the most common language in France. So, I would recommend you to download the Google Translate app. Lastly, I would like to share an interesting fact. In Paris, you can drink the tap water, as it is totally safe. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope it was helpful for all you guys out there. For my motivation, kindly subscribe my channel and do not forget to like and share. Thank you so much.